I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the brown like when I get like this, I can't.
Mommy?
Hi guys! Hi! You're so dark, Tay Tay! Look at that tan skin! Oh my gosh, you're darker than me! Look at Huh? You're gonna come back?
No, I'm not coming back.
Hello.
Mwah. Hey, Mommy, you can't change your plans, you know.
Hello. Very dark.
Whose headphones?
Cheyenne, who's got your headphones?
Whose iPhone headphones are on the floor?
Sorry. Silly girl.
You're not driving me? Hey? Oh, Chanel. Chanel. I mean Chloe. Thank you. You're very tan, Taylor.
I know.
Oh my gosh. You little girl. You're not driving me.
Yes, I am. Permission on you. I have it. Who are you?
Get in the.
Are you snap?
I'm doing you. Get in the back.
No.
Shotgun. Well, you guys have to go in the back first anyway. Ah!
Go on.
Go on.
Go on.
Go on.
No.
Go on.
What is in the trunk to me? When I want to pull the trunk out, squeeze the button behind.
Can you take the roof off?
These shoes are very popular. I feel like everybody has these shoes.
They're really, you know.
Huh?
I have one bag in there when I forgot to put the bag in the bag.
Okay. Let's do that then. And the hat. And the tissue.
You have a fold the bag in there.
You putting the top down, mommy?
Then you want it down.
Give me that hat.
No.
Give me.
Why?
I was trying to mess up my hair. I didn't even bring my brush. Hi.
Wait, Nanny.
Cheyenne just said mom dresses like she's going to a
Cheyenne
festival.
can't match me in a dressing. As young as you be. That may I tell you.
Okay.
You can't watch me, Cheyenne.
Cheyenne, I think we're all right in the dressing department. I think we're okay.
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
man.
told you.
I think we're okay.
Everyone has their individual.
Everyone has their own style, mom.
Yeah.
And just because it's not yours.
And Nanny's stylist, everyone needs to see her. In the dark.
And you're Cheyenne, you're very old fashioned for young girl.
What do you mean I'm old?
When I was your age, Cheyenne, I was pencil. But Cheyenne, you hold. Everybody talking about you. And the street everywhere.
I'm old.
You're
It's
old.
called old.
You're old fashioned.
How?
In this lot of dark clothes like it's midnight.
That made no sense.
You need to let people see you.
And how many people do you want to see you?
Me, the whole Britain.
Your lipstick is outside your lip.
No camera time for her, Cheyenne.
Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but I ain't talking. Too much for you alone. Baby, go grab some bad, bring 'em home.
Put your body, and we don't gotta think about nothing. I'm coming at you, 'cause I know you got a bad reputation. Doesn't matter 'cause you give me temptation. 'Cause we don't gotta think about nothing. These friends keep talking way too much. Say I should give you up. Can't hear them out 'cause blame it all night, blame it all day, and they got me working side to side. I'm the queen of rap, young Ariana one pop.
Big travel news in your area. Kiss the Family UK.com. Up there for you. Back with the official Kiss Top 40 #1 from Dua Lipa.
Mommy is like too much. Hold here? Yeah. So, I just got my head wrapped in an African shop with my African scarf.
Me too.
I really, really like it. Yes. Oh my god.
What if we just snatch it off your head?
Huh?
Just snatch it.
Thank you. Yeah, I love it. Do you like it, Shy?
Yeah,
It's
it's
pretty.
different from the picture, but it's still nice.
Yeah. Hmm?
Look,
It's a
jump
giant
straight
rose.
From the top. Oh, goddamn. Ooh, boo boo. Honey, boo boo. Boo boo. Boo boo.
I love it. These African guys love it. These white people love it. Crazy. Where's
Chinese
Mommy?
people love it.
Where's Mommy?
This mixed race girl loves it.
Yes.
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 I'm darker than you. So
Yes.
he's mixed race.
Yeah. That's just a tan, boo. If I tan, it's gonna be a problem. Okay.
You're gonna be lit
No
like
problem.
lit like your handbag strap.
Me, I'm a good up mother. Mommy, look.
We are Africans.
Yes.
Africans.
So Mommy's going to a wedding in a few days. So she had to, it's an African wedding. So she had to get her African attire and become a follow fashion. I'm already, aye?
She come follow me. Yeah. Fashion African enough.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
These Africans are loving my rap.
Not African enough. She's a follow me too. She said we're going to do my African
But Mommy, you're not
thing.
African either.
I am. You are American.
You're not African either, Mommy. So
I
you're
am.
you're following somebody. Anyway, so yeah, I really like it. It's really pretty. It looks like a freaking rose on top of my head. Look at my niece being a little. You know, our dress too tight, you know, Mommy.
Eh?
Our dress too
We're
tight.
gonna cut it later.
We're cut it, man.
Then cut it.
We're gonna cut
We'll
it.
cut it. You know what's the way I beat people here? Give me the key. Give me a curtain.
Love
Can
it.
you hold this? Your egg
I love it.
before I break them.
Love it. Follow fashion. Ooh. Oh, guys, come out to the road.
You see, you get bumped up from in there.
You know when someone's on, then it's a massive.
Tay Tay.
Hey, hey.
Dang, Shy. Oh my God. Beast mode. Which one's mine? Why does Taylor and Cheyenne's food look more than mine?
Yours looks small. No, I got 3 dumplings.
Whose food is that?
No, I can't so fresh.
Taylor, you can eat off all that. Oh my God. My nieces are monsters. Straight monsters. So guys, I do not want to take off my headdress. It's so freaking cute. I won't take it off. I want to keep it on.
Bye.
Hey, Mama. Yes, God Hunty. All right. Taylor devoured her plate.
My mouth is on fire.
Mine is looking like this. I think I did good.
You should look at my lips. My lips are burning. Oh.
Are they? Oh my God.
You're not supposed to cook food this hot.
Ice. Oh, I need another bottle of water. I've already gone through one. I need one.
Mother and I are on our way to Chicken Back Tuesdays. I'm gonna let them see that, girl, now. Eh? Let them see that, girl, now. You see that, girl? Read that, girl, now. You see her? Yes! Yes, mommy. It's raining.
You're not in a look more the girl, guys, sleeping up.
Really? Are you saying she a party girl? Oh, Jesus.
Yes, me girl, me girly. They are street again. Get on the bitch again.
Slow, that's one. Hold on. He's wearing full black. Yes. So let's see. What? Come on, stop yourself. I want to hear bodies on the back side. Bodies on the back side. Hey, if you pour rule out to them, back it up. Hey.
If you wanted to, these expensive, these is bad,
Listen, hold on. Hey. Now what if I don't know? And they push them styling. Listen to the fear. Lash out. You know much of them will put a roll. And them try style again. Cause man see them. I have been a side party there. Ready? Me and Ross. The race long. That one takes a long. A 14 year now with them all here now. What's the one in the time? Use it for the fear. All the road can't drain the energy. Show up your eye and tell them. Cause man see them.
This has nothing to do with money or fame or vanity. This one is all about self-worth. So leave up your chest and stand proud and don't talk about no man, no man, no more than no man on his side. So let it go, now you want your car. Time your right up, black lighter. No good in yourself, just stop. Push up on the one and tell all the haters I'm a big deal. I'm a friend of a big deal. I let me tell you, you're kind of important. For real. I'm a big deal. I'm a friend.
That was the 2nd of September. Now we have sharps in the housing. The bug of fear back to the 1st of September, 12 to 12. Push up. God's been here the 9th of September. Tonight we feel like spend some cash. Who the events just watch. Too choose the event must match. Gucci do. Them go on like that.
The party was nice, right?
Yes, good. For a long time. I've not been out.
But she came out for me, you guys. She came out for me. Come, mommy,
bed.
don't party again, you know. Don't, mommy.
I have to go to work.
Long time, big one, don't party
Yeah, I
again.
didn't bleach in the middle. Let me a party right back to the morning.
Right back till my God.
Party.
Every night we are touch
Who
the
don't
road.
like it? Go sleep another way. You're on the move.
Oh my God. So yeah, tomorrow night again. Big
On Friday night,
bashment and Friday night.
we are going to eat lobster.
Fish fry, lobster and
Wow.
shrimp and fish and all these things.
We gotta go it up, leave it up,
Yeah.
bomb it up.
And then when I leave, she goes back into hibernation. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. That was fun though. That was fun. All right, you guys, that is it for tonight, Tuesday night. I'll see you in the next
Thank
one.
God. We
Say
just
bye,
reach
mommy.
out.
Bye bye.
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.